video we will discuss the cbse science board paper 2024. This question paper has been divided into section A, B, C, D and E, and there are total 39 questions in the question paper. और मैंने इस पेपर में सेट 1 जो है वो लिया है, उसके सॉल्यूशंस मैं आपको प्रोवाइड कर रही हूँ. क्वेश्चंस हर सेट में सिमिलर ही होंगे, सो यू कैन जस्ट go through different question wise also you can see your or match your answers, but here I am using set 1 of cbse science paper 2024. So in this video we will discuss question number section A questions, that is MCQ questions है section A में, सारे 1 marks के each. तो आइए देखते हैं पहला question क्या है. Let's see the first question. When 2 ml of sodium hydroxide is added to granulated zinc and is warmed, then the reaction will be written in the form of a chemical balance equation. तो अगर आप जिंक को एल्कली के साथ रिएक्ट कराते हैं तो आपको सोडियम जिंकेट और हाइड्रोजन मिलेगा. और सोडियम जिंकेट का फॉर्मूला Na2ZnO2 होता है, तो आइदर ऑप्शन बी हो सकता है, डी हो सकता है, लेकिन इसमें हाइड्रोजन इवॉल्व होता है, वाटर नहीं, तो इसलिए यहाँ पे सेकेंड वाली इक्वेशन जो है वो आपकी करेक्ट होगी, बिकॉज इट इज करेक्टली बैलेंस्ड एंड all the formulas are written correctly. So question number 1, answer number B is correct. Okay, next is select the following from the following a decomposition reaction which the decomposition has taken place with the help of light. तो पहले वाले केस में डिकम्पोजिशन लाइट की प्रेजेंस में नहीं होता है, हीटिंग से होता है. वाटर अगेन इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिकली डिकम्पोज होता है. सिल्वर ब्रोमाइड, सिल्वर के सॉल्ट्स लाइट की प्रेजेंस में डिकम्पोज होते हैं. तो आंसर नंबर 2 इज C part is the answer for question number 2. That is AgBr will give you 2 Ag and Br2. Next is question number 3. So let's come to question number 3. Question number 3 में देखिए क्या है. आपको एक मेटल और नॉन मेटल बताना है जो लिक्विड स्टेट में रहता है नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर पे. तो मेटल मरकरी होता है, दैट वी ऑल नो, एंड नॉन मेटल जो है वो जो लिक्विड स्टेट में है दैट इज ओनली वन एंड ओनली, दैट इज ब्रोमीन. तो आंसर नंबर सी इज करेक्ट फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. कार्बन कंपाउंड्स या बैड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड दे हैव वीक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन देम कॉल्ड एज वैन डर वाल फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. तो इसमें ऑप्शन नंबर 2 और 4 सही होगा. सो दैट इज पार्ट डी इज करेक्ट फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. C part 2 and 4 is given in part number C. So question number 4, answer number C is correct. Consider the following compounds. You have been given 4 compounds and you have to answer that which compound contain maximum water of crystallization. Now here you can see FeSO4 contains 7 water. Calcium sulfate, copper sulfate contain 5 WOC, calcium sulfate contain 2 and sodium carbonate contain 10. So answer number D is correct for question number 5. Oxides of aluminium and zinc are both elements. Oxides are amphoteric in nature, that is they act both acidic and basic. If they react with acid they will act as base, and if they react with base they will act as acid. वो दोनों तरह काम करते हैं, acid और base की तरह. तो that means they are amphoteric. So question number 6, answer number C is correct. Question number 7, you have been given a equation, और इस equation में HCl एक reducing agent है और MnO2 एक बहुत अच्छा oxidizing agent होता है. तो oxidizing agent दूसरे को oxidize करता है, HCl को oxidize करेगा, और HCl reducing agent है, MnO2 को reduce करेगा. तो MnO2 is reduced in the reaction and HCl is oxidized. So answer question number 7, answer number D is the correct option. Next is we come to part 8. Okay, next is question number 8 here, that is now this is from the bio. The sex of a child is determined by the father, and the sex of the child is determined at the time of fertilization. It is neither determined by the mother and the probability of having male and female child is same. So you have option 2 and 4, that is correct. So answer question number 8, option number B is correct here, 2 and 4. Next is chromosomes. Chromosomes are the hereditary materials which carry hereditary information from parents to offspring, so that is correct. Thread-like structures which are located inside the nucleus of a cell, that is also correct. And always exist in pairs. No chromosomes in reproductive cells are singly aligned, they are not in pairs, so this is wrong, and are involved in the process of cell division, that is correct. So option number 1, 2 and 4 are correct. So question number 9, C part is correct. Next we come to, in a nerve cell, the site where electrical impulse is converted into chemical signal is neuromuscular junction, because at the junction, that is synapse, the electrical signals are converted into chemical messages. So answer number 10 is C part, that is neuromuscular junction. Next is question number 11. Question number 11 is, a stomata closes when it does not need carbon dioxide and when water flows out of the guard cell, because stomatal opening and closing is related with water. And okay, so in question number 11, the stomata closes when does not need CO2 and water flows out of the guard cell, because the stomatal opening and closing is related with the inflow and outflow of the water, as well as if the carbon dioxide is not required in the process of photosynthesis, stomata will close. So option number 2 and 4 is right, and here it will be option number C is the answer, that is option number D is correct, that is 2 and 4. Water flows out, 2 and 3, I'm really sorry, that is 2 and 3, water flows out of the guard cell. So option number C is correct, that is water flows out of the guard cell and it does not need carbon dioxide. Next is question number 13. Question number 13 is, the lens system of human eye forms an image on a light sensitive screen, that is obviously retina. On the retina the image is formed, so answer number 3 is D. Next we come to question number 15, that is, question number 15 is, you have to identify the food chain in which the second trophic level is missing. So second trophic level means the one who feeds on the producer. So in option number C, the producer is missing. You can see tiger, grass, snake, frog. No producer has been, no animal who feeds on the producer has been given. So option number C here is correct, that is tiger, grass, snake and frog. Next is question number 16. In which of the following organisms multiple fission takes place? And here the answer is Leishmania, and in rest binary fission takes place. Next is assertion reason questions. Question number 17. Hydrogen gas is not evolved when zinc reacts with nitric acid, that is correct. And nitric acid oxidizes hydrogen gas produced to water itself gets reduced, that's also correct. And this is the correct reason for the assertion. So answer number 17, option number A is correct. Answer is A. Question number 18. Accumulation of harmful chemicals maximizes on going up a food chain, that is correct. And harmful chemicals are sprayed on the crops to protect them from diseases, that is also correct, but the reasoning is not correct for assertion. So answer number B is correct, that is option B. Next we come to 19th question. Next we come to 19th question, that is assertion reason again. The rate of breathing in aquatic organisms is much faster than terrestrial organisms, that is correct. And the amount of oxygen dissolved in water is very high, that is wrong. The amount of oxygen dissolved in water is very low as compared to that in air. So A is true and B is false. So option number C is correct for this. Okay, so here I have already written all the answers for section A. You can, if you want, you can pause and just tally your options that whether you have ticked correctly or not.